Dear students, in today's class, we people are going to discuss about the prehistory. Prehistory means how did we evolve today and what were we millions of years ago. You know, prehistory is the oldest and the longest period of a human history. It began more than 1 million years ago with the origin of the human race. It ended about 5500 years ago with the invention of writing. See the evolution of a man today from an ape to a perfect human being. You know, human prehistory began with the Paleolithic period. During this time, human beings were nomadic. They were the nomads. They were the hunter-gatherers who moved from one place to another. Now in this chapter, we would be learning from their experience. They learned from the experience and came on evolving the new things for them. So this is the story of the early man. Dear students, how are you all? Dear students, today we are going to start with your lesson number 5, Early Humans. In this lesson, we are going to learn how the early humans lived. We are going to see how slowly they came to the present form. So, what are we going to learn? Let's try to see. We would be knowing how the early humans lived, and also we would learn about some important discoveries such as fire and wheel. Dear students, did any a time it come to your mind कि early humans कैसे रहते थे and how did we particularly are known as the outcome of the early humans? Yes, early humans had lived on this earth millions of years before. Millions of years. The earth has been a home to us for more than 1 million years. But human beings were not always the same as they are now. आपको पता है एक तो thousands of years to evolve to our present form. It is clear to you that the basic necessities of a human are food, clothing, shelter. These are the 3 basic needs of a human being. Now, dear students, let's try to understand how did the early humans live? Did they have a proper food? Did they have a proper clothing? Or did they have the proper shelter? You know, the early humans fulfilled their basic needs. But how? This is what we are going to see. आपको पता है जो early humans थे, they did not have a proper shelter, they did not have the proper clothing to wear, and automatically they did not have a proper diet as we follow these days, isn't it? How? Let's try to see. Early humans did not live in houses like us. Today we stay in a pakka house, a beautiful house, a properly maintained houses. But our early humans never lived
Dear
in
students,
that manner.
early man
They lived in
the forest.
और
They
जब
ate
उनको
the
caves नहीं मिलती थी रहने के लिए
roots,
तो पता है वो
wild
कहाँ रहते
berries,
थे?
and
Groves
even the
of the
animals.
trees, जहाँ पे
They
बहुत
killed
सारे
the
trees
animals
इकट्ठे होते
for
हैं.
food.
They used to take their
You know,
shelters there.
they were known
So dear
as
students,
hunter-gatherers.
remember, the
What
early
we used to
humans
call
lived in caves.
hunter-gatherers.
They had
They
other
used
natural
stone
shelters
implements to
as
kill the
trees
animals.
and the groves to protect
And
from
they lived
wild
in
animals
caves
and the harsh
to
weather
protect
conditions.
them from the wild animals.
So, in order
They
to protect
wore
them,
the
they used
clothes
to
made
even
of
live on the
leaves,
trees. अगर कोई
skin
दूर से
of
देखते थे कोई
animals
wild
to
animal आ रहा है,
protect
they
them.
used to climb the tree. Yeah, बहुत सारी जहाँ पर trees together होते थे, they used to live there. So this was a way in which the early man used to live. And you know, the early man did not wear the clothes like us. They used the barks of trees, leaves, and even the skin of animals to cover and keep themselves warm. So they did not have a smart clothes like we people wear today. ये लोग क्या डालते थे? Barks of the trees, leaves, and even skin of the animals to cover themselves, to cover their body, and these things only used to keep them warm.
Dear students, the early man collected the wild berries, roots, fruits from the trees, insects, worms and ate them. You know, आपको भूखा तो रहना नहीं है, you have to eat something. So early man के पास कोई proper food नहीं था. Early man क्या collect करते थे? Wild berries, roots, fruits from the trees, insects, worms and they used to eat them. इतना ही नहीं, the early man even used to eat the flesh of the animals. And no, they did not used to cook their food. They used to eat the raw food. You know, the early humans were called the nomads. You know who is a nomad? Who moved from one place to another. So they used to keep on moving from one place to another. उनका कोई एक proper place नहीं था रहने का. जहाँ उनको food मिलता था, food के search में they used to keep on moving. But they were also known as hunter-gatherers as they kept on moving from one place to another only in search of food. The nomads or the hunter-gatherers learned many things from experience. It was only through experience that they learned how they have to kill an animal. They learned to make some tools. They learned or they discovered the fire. Then they learned that cooked food is more tasty. Then they learned about the wheel. It was all by experience. They probably dropped some seeds on the ground by chance and noticed that plants grew from them. एक बार इन्होंने पता है क्या किया? कुछ इन्होंने seeds खाए और seeds को वहाँ पे throw कर दिया. थोड़े दिनों बाद when they saw that the seeds में से plants grow होने लग गए. So they learned that the plants grew out from the seeds. This was by experience they learned. Then they started growing some crops. They also observed that it took time to grow and harvest the crops. So then they thought, why not to settle at one place? Because it is a longer period of time to grow a crop. So dear students, this led to the settling down of the early humans and the growth of the village communities. So see, all came step by step from experience, isn't it? Dear students, early humans even used to draw on the walls of their caves, right? जैसे हम भी drawing करते हैं तो वो भी अपने past time में कुछ early humans जो थे वो draw करते थे. And on the barks of the trees also they used to draw. They drew colorful pictures of animals and the hunting stories क्योंकि उस समय यही उनका routine था. Hunt करेंगे और then they'll have the food. They even used to draw the daily activities such as eating and then sitting with their family on the cave walls or the stone floors. Janta and Ellora caves, you know, they could even find these kind of the pictures, right? So dear students, do remember, early humans were even artistic in that sorts क्योंकि वो draw कर पाते थे अपनी daily routines को, अपनी activities को. So this way they express their feelings. They express their feelings by the drawings. Now dear students, we people are going to discuss about the tools that the early humans used. You know, early humans को ये tools की क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ी थी? Because they were the hunter-gatherers. They used to hunt for their food. They used to kill the animals. They used to take out the roots of the trees. They used to cut the fruits from the trees. So for all these practices, they required some proper tools. आपको पता है कौन सा tools सबसे पहले इन्होंने यूज़ किया था? They made the tools made from the stone. So let's try to read it out. See, the early humans required the tools for hunting animals, for growing the crops, and even for protecting themselves. So they started making tools. At that time, an easily available material was a stone. So they made the stone tools. And this period came to be known as the Stone Age. They found that sharp stones was good for digging. जो sharp stones थे बच्चे, they were very good for digging. And इतना ही नहीं, the stone axes were even used for hunting the animals, for killing the animals. Dear students, it was with these stones that they even used to go for fishing. It was with the stones they formed an axe, they formed a sickle, they formed many different tools जिनको इन्होंने अपनी अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज़ में यूज़ किया. And you know, this is known as a Stone Age. You know, there are 3 periods of the Stone Age. First, it is known as a Paleolithic Age. Second is known as a Mesolithic Age, जिसको हम Middle Stone Age भी बोलते हैं. And last is known as a Neolithic Age, or it is known as a New Stone Age. Let's see, these are the different tools that they made from the stones, and they used them for killing the animals, either for digging, either for growing the crops, or protecting for themselves. Dear students, early man used the stone tools to kill the animals. Then, slowly by slowly, again through experience, they learned about the fire. They saw that animals were afraid of the fire. You know, how did they create fire? By rubbing 2 flint stones with each other. And they saw this could lead a spark, it could set the dry leaves on fire. And they also started cooking the food. They started preserving the food, because it was only due to this fire that they could have the cooked food which tasted soft and better. They even used fire to keep them warm. So, fire seemed to be very useful for them. They drove the wild animals away by keeping a fire burning at the entrance of their caves. They kept warm by lighting the fire. They even started cooking their food. So, dear students, fire was one of the greatest achievement of the early students. The early humans first saw fire when lightning struck the trees or when forest fire occurred. They were scared of this fire because they realized that even the animals were running due to the fire. Later they found that fire could be produced. Do you know how they produced it? Yes, by striking 2 dry stones together. They kept on striking 2 dry stones, जिसके कारण से sparks निकली. उस sparks के कारण से they could even set the fire. Dry leaves को ये लोग fire कर सकते थे. The discovery of this fire seemed to be the greatest achievement of the early humans. You know, there were great many uses of fire for these early men. How? Let's see to it. They started cooking the food on fire. क्योंकि बच्चे जब cooked food था ना, you know, it went through a story. Once when they were eating the raw food, एक जो piece था meat का, it fell into the fire. They picked it up after some time and they saw that वो तो बहुत soft हो गया. तो वो soft होकर tender हो गया and it turned out to be really very tasty. Then they thought that even the food is tasty, even the flesh is tasty only after cooking. So they started eating the cooked food. They even kept themselves warm by lighting the fire. They used to sit around the fire जिससे कि अपने आप को warm रख सकें. इतना ही नहीं, they drove the wild animals away by keeping a fire burning at the entrance of their caves. इन्होंने अपनी caves के entrance पे fire करना शुरू कर दिया ताकि wild animals उनकी caves में enter ना हो सकें. So बच्चे, this ways the fire was really helpful for the early humans.